Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Perplexity AI for fast checking of the research paper facts. Okay, so if you are a professor, PhD or something else and you want to check the research paper facts on any specific topic, you just need to have that document in your device, and I will show you how you can just recheck the facts of that research paper. So first of all, we will go for the Perplexity AI. Okay, and you will get this website perplexity.ai. You can just simply tap this address in your browser and you will just get read to this website. Okay, I have already my account logged in into this website. You can also download this AI assistant on your desktop. Okay, so you can see that my account is already logged into it. You can just simply click on login with Google, and your account will also be created in just a few clicks. Okay, here this is the chatbot. Here like this, you can write your prompt. So let's first of all attach our research paper file. So this is my research paper file on antibiotics. Okay, I think I have already used up all the resources of this my free account. So let me check on my other account. Okay, so yes, finally I have logged into my another account. Yes, you can see that this is my another account. Okay, and it's a fresh account. Let's upload the file again, and here you will write your prompt. Meanwhile the file is uploading, we will write our prompt: recheck the facts of this research paper and also give me summary of the research paper. Okay, so I have written this command, and now I'll just hit the enter button or just click on this arrow button, and it will start rechecking the facts of our project file. Okay, and it will just take a few seconds. You can see that it has just did some steps: the research paper title, origin of antibiotics and antibiotic resistance. Okay, so it has given us key point from the paper. This is the whole thing like summary, and now it will also give you the more facts. It will also tell you the facts. As you can see, it has mentioned: if specific section of data need verification or more details summary, please specify. This summary covers theme and funding. Okay, so it has given you some basic information and overall view of this. Okay, so I'll just click on this skip button. So we have got each and everything in all this text format. It has given us a summary as well as it has rechecked the facts. Okay, so that's all about how you can use Perplexity AI for just rechecking the facts of the specific or your project paper, research paper. Okay, so that was all about Perplexity AI. Now I will catch you in the next video, and we'll make further videos. Just comment down in the comment section, and we will make the video on that topic as well. Till then, goodbye.